Power BI and AI, a powerful combination. In today's video, we'll explore how AI can be used in Power BI to enhance data analysis and decision-making. Let's dive in. Number 1. Natural Language Query, Q&A. Did you know you can ask Power BI questions in plain English? With the Q&A feature, users can type a question like, "What were the total sales last month?" And Power BI will generate a visualization instantly. AI algorithms help interpret your query and fetch relevant insights, making data exploration effortless. Number 2. AI visualizations. Power BI offers AI-powered visuals like Key Influencers, identifies the factors impacting a metric the most. Decomposition Tree lets you break down data step by step. These tools provide deeper insights without complex calculations. Number 3. Anomaly Detection. Power BI's anomaly detection automatically highlights unusual patterns or outliers. For example, if sales suddenly spike or drop unexpectedly, AI will flag it for review. This is especially useful for analyzing trends over time. Number 4. Automated Insights. Imagine having AI generate key insights from your data automatically. Power BI can detect trends, correlations, and anomalies, helping users make informed decisions faster. No need to dig through data manually. Let AI do the work. Number 5. Data Preparation. AI also helps clean and transform data more efficiently. It can detect missing values, duplicates, or inconsistencies, saving time and effort in data preparation. Number 6. Predictive Analytics. Power BI supports machine learning models for predictive analytics. Businesses can use AI to forecast future trends, predict customer behavior, or classify data without needing complex coding. Number 7. Personalized Recommendations. AI-driven recommendations suggest relevant content and insights based on user behavior and data analysis. This helps users discover hidden patterns and take smarter actions. Number 8. AI-powered Excel Insights. Power BI integrates AI into Excel. Users can apply AI tools like data profiling, outlier detection, and trend analysis within Excel workbooks, making it even easier to analyze data. Number 9. Text Analytics. AI-powered text analytics in Power BI can analyze customer feedback, social media posts, and surveys. It can perform sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and keyword extraction to generate insights from unstructured text data. Number 10. Automated Machine Learning, AutoML. Power BI integrates with Azure Machine Learning to provide AutoML workflows. This means users can create, train, and deploy machine learning models without writing any code. And that's it. AI in Power BI is transforming the way we analyze data. Which AI feature excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI insights.